Hello! Today we're going to make a leche plan. This is the process of caramelizing the white sugar. We just have to cook it in medium flame. Once it's caramelized, we have to transfer it in our molder like this. Just be careful, it's really hot. And you have to spread it evenly to each molder. And you have to be very quick on this one because the sugar spread it evenly and faster. Mainit siya, besh. Mainit talaga yan. Here, we need 11 pieces of egg, 1 big condensed can, and 1 evaporated milk. It's a big one, and vanilla extract. Just a pinch of vanilla extract will do. Now, here, I'm starting to crack the egg. You have to separate the egg yolk from the egg white, so just careful. I like this kind of process rather than using another device or any tools to separate the egg yolk. I will wash my hand last week, so it's okay. It's clean. So once you're done separating the 11 egg yolk, we will just remove the egg white and keep it in the fridge. And here now I'm mixing the egg yolk. We don't need the egg white anymore. So in making leche plan, we will need the egg yolk. And I'm adding this one can of big evaporated milk. Why not fresh milk? It's possible, but evaporated milk is having more creamier kind of taste. See. Evaporated milk. It's a full cream milk. And of course, I don't want to waste any single drop of milk. Saving. Just have to mix it. Mix. I don't know, I just like mixing it. And now we have to put our condensed milk. It's a 1 big condensed milk. I'm using Alaska. It's local brand in the Philippines, but you can use any sweetened milk. Just pour it all. And again, scrap all those milk. We want to get all those sugary, milky inside the pan. So just scrub it and put it in your mixture. So we have to clean our hands, then mix it, mix. You have to mix it well so that the condensed and the evaporated and the egg yolk will be blended together. And now we're going to pour some vanilla extract. Just a little bit of vanilla extract to add some flavor in our mixture. I'm excited to eat. So I'm trying to show you the vanilla extract. It's blur. Oh my. See? Ta-da! Vanilla flavoring essence. It's small. And then mix it well. Mix it properly and mix. Now we're going to strain our mixture. I like to strain it so that the other residue, which is not being mixed properly, will be dissolved. I used to strain it 2 to 3 times to get the consistency of creaminess Leche Plan. After filtering it for 2 to 3 times, we just have to clean our table. And then we have to put it in our molder. The molder which is adding a caramelized sugar, which we made earlier. Pour the mixture on it equally. Divide it into 3 mixtures. Ta-da! We have 3 molders of Leche Plan. Now all we have to do is steam it for 30 minutes in our steamer in medium flame. First you have to boil this water in the steamer and then put this one and cook it in medium flame for 30 minutes. Kamay mo, Ate Ebs. O, may extra. Cook it and let it cool. This is the final result. And then this is the final. See, it's creamy and it's saucy. Thank you for watching. Until next time, babush!